How's it going there, friends? Welcome to Ride Time. My name is Brady, and we are looking at a lifted 2016 Ram 1500 crew cab. This one is four-wheel drive in the Stinger Yellow. Now, the Stinger Yellow Ram 1500s only had a production run of 2,250 copies, so making this a limited edition. You also have a navigation system, sunroof, spray-on bed liner, power rear windows, dual exhaust, and plenty of other features, including a vented sports hood and body color accents. So as we come back around to the front of the vehicle, let's head on inside. And as we take a look inside, you can see that yellow upholstery with black leather, kept in fantastic condition, detailed to perfection thanks to our detailing team here at Ride Time. You have inside here embroidered Ram logos, as well as color keyed mesh and yellow stitching. You have a power driver's seat with lumbar support, and of course plenty of features. This is a fully loaded Ram 1500. Power windows, locks, and mirrors, including power folding mirrors. The mirrors are also heated. Ram did a fantastic job designing their limited production run Stinger Yellow Ram. It looks brilliant. Power folding mirrors, adjustable pedals. They are power adjustable pedals. There are pockets on the back of the front seats for additional storage, and you can fit up to 5 passengers in this Ram 1500. You also have heated rear window, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, as well as push start ignition. So you take a look now at the headliner and the sunroof, kept in brilliant condition. We have a leather wrapped steering wheel with left hand side voice recognition and cruise control on the right hand side. Moving on now to take a look at the center console, AM, FM, and Sirius XM satellite radio. Here at Ride Time, we give you guys 3 months free when it comes to Sirius XM. You also have a backup camera on this Ram 1500. You can connect to Bluetooth. There are plenty of other applications as well. Streaming your own audio can be done with ease. Dual zone electronic climate control with heated seats on both the driver and passenger side, as well as a heated steering wheel. Adjusting the time and date can be done with ease thanks to the responsive touchscreen design. You can also pair your phones as well to have a truly hands-free experience. So you take a look now at the navigation system. Nothing quite like an onboard navigation system. Mid-center console features the physical buttons for your climate control, as well as your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and your trailer brake. So we take a closer look now at the accents and features of this lifted Ram 1500. Looking absolutely brilliant. Outside of the vehicle, and taking a look now at the running boards and the custom rims. I say custom, these are unique 20-inch alloy rims to the lifted Ram 1500. The length of the truck bed coming in at just under 6 feet, making this an ideal work truck here. You have fog lamps on this Ram 1500. So take a closer look now at the hood scoops and the black stripes on the hood. The engine is a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 with an 8-speed automatic transmission, netting you 395 horsepower. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you're interested in this vehicle, be sure to go to ridetime.ca, enter in the stock code number 19150 to check out this vehicle, as well as check out other Ride Time Extreme Customs. Thank you very much for watching, and have yourself a great day.